everyone, my name is Dino Crescentini, founding member of Dynamic Friction Company, and today we're here to talk about the DFC Ultimate Duty Performance Brake Pads. These are extremely special brake pads, specially formulated for trucks, for both off-road and heavily laden vehicles with large diameter tires, and they offer exceptional performance right from dead cold. So they work great for off-roading, as you see here in this Jeep right next to me, which is really important when you're in situations with limited traction, rock crawling and so forth. But at the same time, they work great for these lifted trucks that you see out there, or if you have one, when you put 35s, 38-inch tires on there. Those big diameter, those large diameter tires and wheels wreaks all kinds of havoc with your braking system because it acts like a large lever arm exerting more force on your brake system. So essentially, we have these pads which can turn your brake system into like a big brake kit. So these things are so good that we even came up with an acronym for it, MOFO. What do you think it means? It means maximum operating friction for off-road, MOFO. So we're going to do an install on this car, and then we're going to take it to the dirt. See you out there. All right, everybody, today we're going to do a pad swap on this Jeep Gladiator. And the owner of this car uses it for does a lot of off-roading. So this is a perfect opportunity for him to experience the benefits of the Ultimate Duty Performance Pads from DFC. And you can see one of the reasons why one would go to this, because if you look here, we have actually his stock wheel. And this is a 32-inch diameter, which is actually pretty large for a stock wheel. But this is a Gladiator Mojave version, so it's already set up for off-road. He went ahead and did something that a lot of people do, and he has some 35s on there. Now, of course, when he went to this setup, the brakes became that much more ineffective. So to combat that, we're going to use these Ultimate Duty pads, which effectively give you the sensation of putting on a big brake kit. That's how good they are. They have so much cold friction, hot friction. So right out of the box, they're gonna feel more aggressive all the way to the most elevated temperatures, which in this iteration probably won't see. But what's going to really help for off-roading is that the sensitivity is going to be there that's been lost by going to the larger wheel, and so he's going to be able to have a much better brake balance and better feel with these Ultimate Duty pads. So here we go. I'm going to take the wheel off. We're going to put some brake pads on. So here we are at the top of the hill, and obviously we're going very slow driving off-road here because these are pretty treacherous trails. I mean, not very treacherous, but and but we're obviously in a very capable vehicle, this Jeep, made more capable by the installation of our DFC Ultimate Duty pads. And the big advantage with these is that, for example, what I just did, you roll over a rock, you want to be able to have that sensitivity where you can control the vehicle at these very, very slow speeds. So you need very high coefficient of friction, so very capable product, but it's got to work from dead cold because we're not moving fast. Now, as I may have mentioned earlier, these pads would work great. If this vehicle could go 100 miles an hour towing 10,000 pounds down a hill, it would stop equally as well. But that's not what this is about. You can see, and I'm kind of exhibiting it now, I'm barely flexing my toe, and I'm getting exactly what I need to from the braking. So, in very precarious situations or sensitive, delicate situations, you want to have that capability.